90th floor, guys. Oh, 91 floor now. We'll see what's in here. Oh, wow, nasa outside na kami, guys. Mainit. But ganito lang siya. Yan. So, hindi masyadong kita yung view, guys. Mas maganda downstairs kanina sa pinanggalingan namin. Ayan yung taas. Mainit. So another line, guys, for taking a lift down. Kasi pababa na kami, guys. Tapos na kami dito sa taas. So ayan, line again.
T'imagines à la vitesse de c'est ça.
いないいないさ、ボス。真的。
I don't know.
Yeah.
Right now, guys, we're going to Taipei Zoo. Bibisita kami sa zoo nila dito. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. At, of course, mga animals yun. Pero, sasakay ulit kami ng train, guys, papunta doon. So, ayan, we're going na now to there. So, let's go. No? Taipei Zoo! Let's go to Taipei Zoo, guys! Sure ka na? Forward. Ay! Close daw guys yung yung cable car. Close daw. Kasi yun yung ipinunta namin dito sa may Taipei Zoo. Yung sasakay kami ng cable car. Papunta sa medyo mataas na bahagi dito sa Taipei Zoo para makita yung pinaka-view ng 101 Tower. Pero close daw sila pag Monday. So ayan. Babalik na lang kami bukas daw sabi ng asawa ko. So right now, we're going to take a new train na lang.
You don't know where to go?
Babalik kung saan kami galing. The Tower 101 guys. Yan lang ang nakikita namin. Kasi walang ibang wala kaming alam na magandang spot para makuhanan ng magandang view itong Tower 101 na to. Ayan, yun nga. Pupunta nga sana kami sa yung cable car nila dito. Pero pagpunta namin sarado. So sabi sarado daw pag Monday. So we'll try tomorrow morning kung makakapunta pa kami doon. Ayan, yan yung Tower 101 guys. Ito siya. Ayan. So, ang init. Naglalakad kami ngayon dito sa kalsada. Hanap kami na guys, restaurant kasi gutom kami. Wala pa kaming lunch at it's almost 2 o'clock na. So, wala kaming mahanap na restaurant. Uy, ano ba yan? Kanina pa kami naglakad-lakad para maghanap ng restaurant. Wow! Ito yung tower, guys. Tower 101 dito sa Taipei. Ang pinaka-famous na tower dito sa Taipei, guys. Yan. Tower 101.
You like this? In the sun.
Yeah, that's why. Come on.
And there we are.
So guys, Napapagod kami kalalakad guys. Wala kaming mahanap na magandang restaurant guys. Meron kaming nahanap dito pero yung mga food cart lang na more on shake sila, more on drinks. So ayan, meron silang mga bread, pero gusto namin meal talaga. So magte-take na lang muna kami ng ice cream dito guys. At after is tatawid kami, punta kaming Tower 101 at doon nakakita kami ng food court na madaming pagpipilian. So ayan, babalik kami doon guys. At doon na lang kami magkain ng meal namin. I mean lunch for today kasi pagod na sa paglalakad guys.
Nice with the truck. Real good.
It's too hot ah. It's good. Which is hotter, Cebu?
You're not. Try to walk in Cebu like what we did.
Yeah?
It's more humid.
La 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 la.